The microwave oven was not invented by a single individual but rather resulted from the work of several scientists and engineers. The foundational research in microwave heating dates back to the early 1940s. However, the microwave oven as we know it today was developed through a collaboration between multiple inventors and companies. In 1945, Percy Spencer, an engineer at the Raytheon Corporation, is often credited with the discovery of microwave cooking. While working on radar technology during World War II, he noticed that a candy bar in his pocket melted due to the microwave energy emitted by an active magnetron, a device used in radar systems. This led him to experiment further and develop the first practical microwave oven. In 1947, Raytheon introduced the Raider range, which was the first commercially available microwave oven. However, these early models were large and expensive, primarily intended for industrial and commercial use, such as in restaurants and ships. Over the following decades, various companies and inventors contributed to the advancement and popularization of microwave ovens. In the 1960s and 1970s, companies like Amana, Litton, and Tapan introduced smaller and more affordable microwave ovens for home use. These innovations made microwave ovens more accessible to the general public, leading to their widespread adoption as a kitchen appliance. Therefore, while Percy Spencer's discoveries played a significant role in the development of the microwave oven, the invention itself was a collaborative effort involving multiple inventors and companies over several years.